Now let's switch over to the process assembly perspective. This is where developers and object designers define and configure objects, write scripts to extend their logic, and basically create automation. The Explorer has the folders and objects to which you have permissions. It also provides access to my favorites, user catalog, recently used, and so forth. Let's learn more about them. Now, about the Packs tab in the process assembly perspective, you'll only see this tab if the Action Builder extension is installed in your system. The Action Builder lets you create and use action packs. Think of action packs as integrations with other, third-party products. They're filled with pre-configured, reusable actions that you can immediately use to build workflows. The packs list shows you which ones are available. The central content pane is your main working area. You can customize the list of objects by showing or hiding columns, changing their order, resizing and sorting them to your convenience. The toolbar offers quick access to the same functions as the context menu that appears when you right-click an object. Now, let's get hands-on and explore how to work with objects in the process assembly perspective. Start by creating a new folder. A well-named folder can save you headaches later. Then, add a new object to your folder and give it a clear, descriptive name. To see what you can do with your new object, right-click it in the object list. You'll see a context menu with available actions, and these actions will be different depending on the type of object. Let's take a closer look at an object. Notice how the tabs in the left pane open different definition pages where you can configure all its attributes. Tabs like General, Version Management, and Documentation are always there. Others, like Attributes or Process, only show up for specific object types. We cover those in detail in our course on atomic objects. The toolbar up top gives you one-click access to key functions for this object, such as executing it, checking past executions, viewing the latest report, and more.